This is hairspray. We've all seen it, some of us use it, but it has so many uses that we should always keep hairspray on hand. It even comes in travel size, so you can take a small can with you when you travel. It needs to be the regular spray kind like this, not the pump kind that's liquid and not foam and not oil spray. It needs to be hold. This one has 5 times mega freeze hold, and this is just regular extra hold. It doesn't matter the brand. Actually, I always try to make sure I buy the cheapest brand. If I can get it from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to the Dollar Tree. So it doesn't matter the brand. You don't need to go out and spend a lot of money, but it helps to keep it on hand, and this is why. You end up with a stain or something on your shirt, go ahead and quickly, lightly spray it and let it dry. It will keep the stain from spreading, especially if it's something like ketchup or barbecue sauce that tends to spread as it dries. If you're doing arts and crafts or something and you have any type of fabric and you need it to be a little bit more rigid or stiff, maybe it's a costume or something, just spray it, let it dry, and it'll be stiffer in that space. Want to freshen up your upholstery? Spray it lightly and let it dry. Spraying your upholstery will freshen it up and get rid of any odors. You can prevent pantyhose from running. If you poke a hole in them or get a small run, go ahead and spray it immediately, and that hole will not get bigger or the run will not get longer. You can also spray your pantyhose before you ever wear them to help prevent getting a run or a hole in the first place. You get ink on something, spray it, let it dry, then you can go ahead and wash as usual, rubbing the ink stain right off. Get a stain on some carpet, go ahead and spray it really well. Let it dry, then you can clean as usual. It will stop the stain from setting in. You can clean your mirrors. They will come out streak-free. Have sticky residue on something or a sticker you need to remove? Just go ahead and spray it. Rub it in a little bit, and then you can peel it right off. If you're working outdoors or somewhere where there's a light breeze and you don't want your papers moving around, lightly spray your papers. That will help to keep them in place. Now, it won't work on a very windy day. You can set your makeup. Instead of buying the expensive spray that you spray on your face to set your makeup, hairspray. Using a new toothbrush or one set aside for the purpose, you can spray your toothbrush and brush your eyebrows to keep them in place. You can also spray your mascara brush to keep your eyelashes in place. If you spray a light mist on your legs before shaving, it will keep down razor burn. If you're someone that's into nail art, you can seal and protect your nail art with a light coat of hairspray. Hairspray allows you to create temporary tattoos. You can use a stencil, spray it, let it dry, and then apply glitter. You can preserve dried flowers. Hairspray will help maintain color and shape. If you have shoes that squeak, you can spray the inner soles to reduce the squeaking. And if you have static cling in your clothes, spray it down. It will reduce the static cling. Hairspray will also kill and get rid of pests and insects, especially flying insects. Once you spray them once, they may keep flying around, but it makes their wings sticky. And if you spray them a couple of times when you see them, eventually they won't be able to fly anymore, and you can remove the pest or insect. And there is another usage that is well worth mentioning. The intended use, which is hairspray. Some of us use it and some of us don't. But with the right hold, it will keep your hair in place and the strands will lay down neatly. It will also help when the weather is humid outside to keep your hair from frizzing up. So let's not forget what hairspray is actually for, to spray our hair. You all may know of many other usages, or maybe you have something that you used hairspray for. Let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know which one of these tips turns out to be your favorite tip. And have you used some of them before? Which ones have you used and which ones are new to you? I always have hairspray on hand. I keep the miniature ones with me if I'm traveling, and there have been times that I've kept one in my car because you never know, especially because it gives streak-free mirrors. It also works on your car windshields. So if you have something on your windshield and you need to clean it right away, not all gas stations still have the squeezy things and the things to clean your windshield with. So your hairspray comes in handy, especially when you're traveling on the highway for a while. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today while I give you tips about hairspray. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me once again. And for my channel members, thank you so very much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Always, always be sure to test any hairspray that you choose to use in a small, inconspicuous place, whether it's fabric, upholstery, or whatever, and even on your skin. Make sure the ingredients don't have anything that you would be allergic to or that would bother your skin. But try it on a very small area, be it fabric, skin, or any other type surfaces. I'm Pam, and this is my POV.